In this video, I want to discuss locking references in your Excel formulas. When pasting formulas to different locations, sometimes you must lock cell references to keep data references current and prevent errors. In my example, I have a simple addition problem where I reference two cells. If I copy and paste my formula to the right, I lose my column references. If I copy and paste my formula down, I lose my row references. The solution for this is locking one or more references with F4. Selecting the references in the formula and tapping F4 allows you to cycle through and lock columns and rows, row only or column only by inserting a $sign. Locking both columns and rows, I can paste the formula anywhere and keep the original references. Thanks for watching this video. For articles related to Excel, see the link in the description.